Welcome back, people. Another episode of 416 Yard driving through a snowstorm. So, what's going on today now? It's called snow squalls. It's not really a snowstorm. So, in some towns it's good, and then the next town it looks like a blizzard. So I'm just gonna let you see. 5 minutes ago it was normal. Right? No, you can't see nothing. Right? When you're driving at speeds like this, you slow down because you cannot see too much in front of you. Yeah, people, hit up that like button and subscribe. Remember to subscribe. So driving through a snowstorm on the 403, right? Just past Bradford, home of the great one, Wayne Gretzky. To me, that's the sickest nickname ever, the great one. Right? You see, the visibility is bad. The visibility is bad. You barely can see anything. Yo! Visibility is very bad. At times you cannot see nothing. So the trick is when you're driving on the highway, give yourself time to stop. In case you need to slow down, you have enough time to react. A little bit tired, people. But yeah, drive according to the road conditions, people. Drive according to the road conditions. Blizzard out there. It's beautiful things that I got. Right? Heading towards Hamilton. Right? Yeah, Canadian life. So the trick is when you're on the highway, you give yourself space to stop. That's the trick when you're on the highway. So in case somebody break up or jam the brake, you have enough time to react. Right? Yep, another episode of 416 Yard. Driving through the blizzard. Just doing road. This is the Canadian dream, people. Oh, Canada, our home, our native land. You see, this is an example. Traffic slowed down because I had enough space and I had enough time to react. Right? Body crashing. Yeah, people. Traffic slowing down, you know. Almost in the great city of Hamilton. Ha 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 ha. 416 Yard. 6. Highway 6. Bring it to Guelph. Highway 6 knots. Yeah, people. Yep. Traffic slowed down now. Time for the yard. Yeah, people, another episode of 416 Yard. Just a little snippet of the snow drive. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.